How to withdraw Bitcoin from MoonPay. I'm Rock, and in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can withdraw very money or Bitcoin from the MoonPay account. For this, at first you have to create a MoonPay account. You can go to visit the MoonPay's website, or you can also go and click on the sign up button and enter your email address and a secure password. After that, you have to verify your email and then log in there. You have to navigate to verification, provide your personal information, upload your documents, and also wait for approval. After doing all of these, now you have to add a Bitcoin wallet. For this, at first you have to access the wallet settings. In your MoonPay account, you have to find the section to manage or add the wallets. After that, you have to add your Bitcoin wallet address where you want to withdraw your funds. You have to double check the address to ensure that it is correct, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. After that, you have to go to the withdrawal section. You have to navigate to the withdrawal section in your MoonPay account and then choose the very cryptocurrency you would like to withdraw. There you have to specify the amount of Bitcoin that you will use to withdraw. You have to confirm the wallet address you provided earlier is correct and then click on the withdraw button to start the process. After that, MoonPay may send a confirmation email for the security purposes. You have to confirm the withdrawal through the email if required. MoonPay will also process your withdrawal. This can take a few minutes to several hours depending on the network congestion and the internal processing times. You can then monitor the status of your transaction through your MoonPay account and by using the transaction ID on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. After that, you have to wait for the Bitcoin network to confirm the transaction. This usually requires a few confirmation on the blockchain. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will appear in your wallet. Always you have to ensure that the wallet address you're sending is correct and be aware of any fees that MoonPay might charge for the withdrawal. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.